Okay, so I'm here in Las Vegas in the States right now. I know, a little bit random, but I do promise I'm here for work. Kind of. I'm currently in Vegas for the Call of Duty COD Next event. It's like this big broadcast event where they bring in press, streamers, they put us all in an awesome place and activities and all that kind of fun stuff to stream the game, to play the game, to announce new things for the next Call of Duty that's coming out. So that's like the work/fun side of why I'm here. But like always, wherever we go, we gotta try and find like how we can sneak some Disney into it. So in my downtime, I'm hoping we can find a place that we can grab some Lorcana packs from, maybe get some international luck with those pack openings, score an enchanted card. But there is one thing I absolutely wanted to do the moment I got here. I tried to do it in Australia and it wasn't happening. And I thought, you know what? If there's a place where this can happen, it's gonna be here in America. So let's go do that. Okay, so we're out here looking for a hat, which you're probably like, Jake, you could have definitely grabbed a hat in Australia, but once you see this hat, you'll understand why it was probably an easier thing to grab it here. Or at least that's what I'm gonna tell myself anyway. Nailed it. Absolutely nailed it, I think. Found the one we were after. Now you guys know why it would have been easier to grab it here. I tried to find it in Culture Kings down in Brisbane, but they did not have it in stock. So much easier grabbing it here. Glad I grabbed it though. Mighty Ducks honestly was one of my favorite movies. The cartoon, so good. I need to watch that on Disney Plus. But no, I've always wanted a Mighty Ducks hat, so we've got one now. Check that off the box, bucket list, whatever it is. Obviously the hat is one thing, but the other thing we do need to try to find is some Lorcana cards. So we're gonna try and track down like a local game store or something. I checked Target. They didn't have any in there, so we're gonna try and hunt down a local game store near the strip. I don't know what we're gonna do, but let's go find one. All right, I think we've found a place just off the strip. So let's go see if they got any Lorcana cards. So after all that, would you believe they didn't have any booster packs at the shop? They had booster boxes, they had troves, but no single packs available to buy. So I was like, no! We couldn't walk away empty-handed, especially walking up and down the strip and then finally finding the place. We had to catch an Uber to get there. So instead of a Lorcana pack, we did grab some of these. The new Spider-Man Magic the Gathering packs. It's not exactly Disney adjacent. It's not Lorcana, but it's still trading cards, and we definitely needed to still rip something. So let's see how we go with these. I don't play Magic, but we might pull something cool. And hey, who knows? Maybe we can make another like picture frame out of it. You know, I don't know. Maybe we'll do it as a giveaway or something like that. Or, you know, I've got friends that play Magic, so maybe we pull something good and they'll want to trade for some Lorcana cards. But either way, let's see what we get. All right, so we get 14 cards in a pack. I don't exactly know what we're looking at here. We'll just have to see what is... Oh, that's a shiny one. We'll just have to... I'm gonna have to just do this. I can't really see what's happening in the camera, but I'm sure we'll see something cool. If we come across something awesome, you guys will definitely have to let me know in the comments. I mean, the artwork works. The artwork looks pretty cool from here. Oh, that's a cool one. I think that's the last one. All right. Once again, whatever we get, I don't know what that is. A land. What's a land? I'm guessing it's like a location. There's gonna be so many Magic players. Well, not so many, but there's gonna be some Magic players watching this being like, oh my God, he's butchering our game so badly. There's like full art ones in Magic too. I'm guessing, you know, if we pull something like that, then I know to go crazy. I think we got a full art in this one. That's cool. Well, we got that one before, but in a shiny. Whoa, what is a spider ham? That's sick. That's good, right? That's a full art. I don't know what we're looking at. All right. I think that's good. I'm not look, Lorcana's like my first TCG, so I'm just gonna, you know, from what I know from that, full art, good thing to get. But if you guys saw anything sweet that we pulled, definitely let me know. I've never opened up Magic cards before, so that was a first for everyone here. We're gonna go finish off the work-related stuff that I'm here for. I thought, you know what, while we're here, let's shoot something, let's post a video up, just a bit of fun, let's hang out somewhere else. We got packs and stuff coming up as well. We got the New Zealand qualifier coming up later in the month. So there's a lot going on. If anything, this was a good time to practice getting back into the whole vlog kind of situation as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I appreciate the thumbs up. If you'd like to see our adventures at PAX and then later on in New Zealand at the DLC qualifier, then make sure you subscribe as well. And with that, I'll leave you guys here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.